Bitcoin gold value equivalent to $40.981 a coin. The present exchanged cost range, $38 to $6.48,557. The earlier day close, $39.4850. The change was plus by day 131, plus 2.6%. Opposite rate, ICE to BTG. Dollar to Bitcoin gold estimate for June 2024. First and foremost cost at 0.26 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.27, while lows on 23. They found the middle value of cost on 25. The US to BTG estimate toward the month's end zone 25, change for June 3.8%. US to BTG expectation for July 2024. To start with cost at 0.25 coins. Exorbitant costs 25, while lows on 20. They found the middle value of cost 0.23. The US to BTG estimate toward the month's end zone 22, change for July 12%. Dollar to Bitcoin gold estimate for August 2024. Before all else cost at 0.22 coins. Excessive costs 23, while lows are in 20. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.22. The US to BTG conjecture toward the month's end zone 21, change for August 4.5%. US to BTG expectation for September 2024. Before all else cost at 0.21 coins. Excessive costs 0.21, while lows are at 17. They arrived at the midpoint of cost on 19. The US to BTG conjecture toward the month's end zone 18, change for September 14.3%. Dollar to Bitcoin gold conjecture for October 2024. At the outset cost at 0.18 coins. Excessive costs are 20, while lows are 17. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 18. The US to BTG conjecture toward the month's end zone 18 to change for October 0%. US to BTG expectation for November 2024. Initially cost at 0.18 coins. Excessive costs are 19, while lows on 16. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 0.18. The US to BTG figure toward the month's end 0.18 to change for November 0%. Dollar to Bitcoin gold figure for December 2024. Initially cost at 0.18 coins. Exorbitant costs are 18, while lows ain't 14. They found the middle value of cost 0.16. The US to BTG gauge toward the month's end 0.15 to change for December 16.7%. US to BTG expectation for January 2025. To start with cost at 0.15 coins. Exorbitant costs 15, while lows are at 12. They found the middle value of cost word 14. The US to BTG gauge toward the month's end 0.13, change for January 13%. Dollar to Bitcoin gold gauge for February 2025. In the first place cost at 0.13 coins. Exorbitant costs are 14, while lows are at 12. They found the middle value of cost 0.13. The US to BTG gauge toward the month's end 0.13's change for February 0%. US to BTG expectation for walk 2025. In the first place cost at 0.13 coins. Exorbitant costs on 13, while lows on 12. They found the middle value of cost 13. The US to BTG gauge toward the month's end 0.12, change for spring 7%. Dollar to Bitcoin gold gauge for April 2025. In the first place cost at 0.12 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.13, while lows on 11. They found the middle value of cost 0.12. The US to BTG estimate toward the month's end 0.12, change for April 0%. US to BTG expectation for May 2025. At the outset cost at 0.12 coins. Excessive costs are 13, while lows on 11. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.12. The US to BTG conjecture toward the month's end 0.12, change for May 0%. Dollar to Bitcoin gold gauge for June 2025. To start with cost at 0.12 coins. Exorbitant costs 0.12, while lows are in 10. They found the middle value of cost on 11. The US to BTG gauge toward the month's end 0.10, change for June 16.7%. US to BTG expectation for July 2025. In the first place cost at 0.10 coins. Exorbitant costs 11, while lows on 9. They found the middle value of cost at 10. The US to BTG gauge toward the month's end 0.10, change for July's odd percent. Dollar to Bitcoin gold estimate for August 2025. First and foremost cost at 0.10 coins. Exorbitant costs are at 12, while lows are at 10. They found the middle value of cost on 11. The US to BTG estimate toward the month's end 0.11, change for August 10%. US to BTG expectation for September 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.11 coins. Excessive costs are 14, while lows on 11. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 12. The US to BTG figure toward the month's end 0.13 change for September 18.2%. Dollar to Bitcoin gold figure for October 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.13 coins. Exorbitant costs in 16, while lows ain't 13. They found the middle value of cost on 14. The US to BTG estimate toward the month's end 0.15 change for October 15.4%. US to BTG expectation for November 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.15 coins. Exorbitant costs are 19, while lows are 15. They found the middle value of cost for 17. The US to BTG estimate toward the month's end 0.17 change for November 13%. Dollar to Bitcoin gold estimate for December 2025. Before all else, cost at 0.17 coins. Exorbitant costs in 17, while lows on 14. They found the middle value of cost on 16. The US to BTG gauge toward the month's end 15's change for December 11.8%. US to BTG expectation for January 2026. In the first place, cost at 0.15 coins. Exorbitant costs are 19, while lows are 15. They found the middle value of cost of 17. The US to BTG gauge toward the month's end on 18, change for January 20%. Dollar to Bitcoin gold estimate for February 2026. First and foremost, cost at 0.18 coins. Exorbitant costs 23, while lows on 18. They found the middle value of cost 0.20. The US to BTG estimate toward the month's ends in 21, change for February 16.7%. US to BTG expectation for WARC 2026. First and foremost, cost at 0.21 coins. Exorbitant costs in 27, while lows in 21. They found the middle value of cost in 24. The US to BTG estimate toward the month's ends in 25, change for spring 19%. Dollar to Bitcoin gold estimate for April 2026. To start with, cost at 0.25 coins. Exorbitant costs in 25, while lows are in 20. They found the middle value of cost 0.23. The US to BTG estimate toward the month's ends 0.22, change for April 12%. US to BTG expectation for May 2026. Initially cost at 0.22 coins. Excessive costs 22, while lows on 18. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 21. The US to BTG figure toward the month's end 0.20, change for May 1%. Dollar to Bitcoin gold figure for June 2026. Initially cost at 0.20 coins. Excessive costs 25, while lows on 20. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 22. The US to BTG gauge toward the month's end 23, change for June 15%. US to BTG expectation for July 2026. To start with,